In this short video review, we are talking about PlantFusion Complete Plant Protein Powder. I think PlantFusion is a great brand that's kind of underrated in the plant-based protein marketplace. Unfortunately, their products, or at least this particular product, is not organic, but it is non-GMO. This here is the vanilla bean flavor. They also make a chocolate raspberry, a cookies and cream, and an unflavored or an unsweetened version. They do all use stevia, and they have sugar in them from fructose. This particular product here for the vanilla bean has 4 grams of sugar, so it's by no means ketogenic friendly. The protein itself is PlantFusion's amino acid infused protein blend, which contains pea isolate, artichoke, sprouted quinoa, and sprouted amaranth. So a pretty unique protein blend, mostly grain based, but overall it does contain a pretty strong amino acid profile, right around 4.5 grams of branched chain amino acids, or BCAAs. It also has just over 3.3 grams of glutamine. So between the branched chain amino acids and the glutamine, you're getting a nice combination of nutrients that will help with athletic recovery, whether you're looking to build muscle mass or accelerate endurance recovery from like running or cycling or things like that. So it is kind of tailored for sports and athletes, which is one thing I do like about it. And it does label the complete amino acid profile of the product too. So if you're curious to know exactly what the concentration is of certain amino acids, that's kind of a nice feature. But all in all, it's a very simple product. It does taste quite good. Unlike a lot of other protein powders out there, particularly the plant-based vegan options, it tastes a lot more natural. I mean, you definitely taste the sugar, but it's not like an artificial taste like some products that use a little too much stevia and it kind of has that stevia aftertaste. In this case, they do a really good job at balancing the sweetness with a really smooth, creamy texture, and it's really well or universally applicable in a lot of different things. Maybe not so much the case if you were to buy like the chocolate raspberry flavor, which I have not had. It just kind of doesn't really strike my fancy, but I have had the vanilla bean and the chocolate, and both are quite good, so I definitely recommend those. As for a price, I've only bought these products on Amazon, and usually you can find them in the mid $30 range, give or take, depending on the Amazon seller, but rarely do I see it priced over 37, 38 bucks. Sometimes you can find it for a little bit cheaper than that too, and it is a pretty good sized tub. This is a 2-pound tub, which has 30 servings, and each serving contains 21 grams of protein. So that's quite a bit of protein compared to a lot of other products that might have only 20 servings of about the same amount of protein. In this case, you're getting a much greater bang for your buck. So that's PlantFusion Complete Plant Protein. Great product. I highly recommend it. Give it a shot. Let me know what you think. Leave a question or a comment below, and thank you for watching.